Every morning is a fresh canvas, a chance to cultivate a vibrant mood and energetic spirit. Start by greeting the day with intention. As the sun rises, let its warm light pour into your living space. This natural illumination stirs awareness and inspiration, setting a positive tone for the hours ahead. Take a moment to appreciate the stillness, breathing deeply as you ground yourself in gratitude for the new day. Incorporating movement into your morning routine can profoundly impact your mood and energy levels. Engage in stretching exercises or a brisk walk outside, where the cool air invigorates your senses. With each stretch, envision releasing tension and welcoming flexibility, while the rhythm of your footsteps syncs with the pulse of the awakening world. Visualizing your aspirations during this time enhances both focus and motivation, amplifying the energy that fuels your day. Nutrition plays a critical role in lifting your spirits and sustaining your energy. Prepare a nourishing breakfast, one that delights your palate and nourishes your body. Think vibrant smoothies packed with fruits, oats prepared with care, or eggs sprinkled with your favorite herbs. As you savor each bite, let the flavors dance on your tongue. This is not merely a meal. It's a self-care ritual that uplifts your mindset, preparing you to tackle any challenges that may arise. Mindfulness is another important pillar of morning self-care. Dedicate a few moments to meditation or deep breathing exercises, allowing thoughts to settle like falling leaves. Picture each inhalation filling you with positivity and light, while each exhalation releases negativity and stress. This simple practice sharpens your focus and enhances clarity, empowering you to greet the day with optimism and confidence. Finally, consider setting an intention for your day. Write it down or speak it aloud, giving it space to grow. Whether it's to embrace joy or to remain present, this guiding mantra can act as an anchor throughout challenges. Regularly revisiting this intention fosters resilience, turning potential stressors into stepping stones toward a brighter mindset. Empowering yourself every morning is a transformative journey. Cultivating this routine nourishes not only your body, but also your spirit, inviting a wave of positive energy to flow through your day. When you prioritize your self-care, you are not just boosting your mood, you are nurturing your potential to thrive. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips on self-care and earning potential.